Y'all ready for this? This is right here. How you do this thing again? You go. Yup. Guys, so you don't know what time it is. From your Simi and Kalena by ourselves, you know what time it is, guys. It's prank time. Ever since Jessie pranked me with the training our baby like a dog prank, y'all, I've been planning to get him back, and I got the perfect one. He is very protective. I am too, but he like go over the top, y'all. When I say protective, he's very protective when it comes on to this one, okay? He don't even like me talking a little bit too loud to her, because then he get all of his feelings. How about, give me my baby, give me my daughter. Don't talk to her like that. You know what I'm saying? So I got the perfect prank, y'all. I got this video, this old video of her crying. I'm gonna pretend like she made me mad. Call him to tell him to come get her. Like, I'm sick of this. I'm tired of this. She just keep crying and she won't stop. Do the belt in the background. Whoosh, whoosh. So it sounds like I'm whooping on her. Y'all, I feel it. This the one. This is the one. I really think this gonna get Jessie. I got this video right here. Stay tuned, y'all. I think this is the one. We gonna get him back. We gonna get Jessie today. Bam! And for those of y'all out there, this is just a prank. You know, I know there's a few people who might think this, oh my god, why would she do it? Just understand, it is a prank. It's not real. I'm not about to hit my baby for real. She's not getting hurt. No one is getting harmed in this video. It's just for kicks and laugh. That's it. That's it. Just come over here, have a good time, and we good. That's it. I'm ready, though. Bang! About to get her. Hold on. I got to get my video ready before I call her. I got to make sure it's ready to play. You know what I'm saying? Make sure it's cut up all the way. Y'all, I'm so nervous doing this because I really don't know. Like, I have an idea of like how he's gonna act, but I really don't know to what extent, because this is his daughter is involved. I know if it was me, I wouldn't take that lightly. So, but let's see. We finna call him right quick. Kalena, you gotta be quiet for mommy, okay? Y'all want to see what she over there doing? Look at her in the crib. Biting on the water bottle. But you know what? I'm gonna let it slide this time because it's keeping her quiet, and I don't want her to say anything that's gonna throw the video off. So as long as she happy right now, I'm happy. So let's get this video done. Let's jump into it. Let me just get my my crying video up and ready to go. Okay. Hold on, mama. Y'all, her bottle failed, so she was mad. Okay. Alright, so hopefully he pick up on the first call. Because, you know, like I said, he out doing some errands. He might not even hear the phone ringing. Let's go. Finna call him. My heartbeat. I don't think y'all can see it, though. Well, I won't even show y'all because the number. Babe, I'm sick of your daughter. Like, she really just be getting on my nerves. Like, she's sitting up here crying for no reason. I'm so sick of it. I'm sick of it. Like, this is ridiculous. Stop that crying. Stop that crying. Stop that crying now. Stop it. Babe. You gonna cry for real now? I didn't even hit you. I'm all the way over here with this. What you crying for? Oh my god, y'all. I just hung up on him. He calling back. She crying for real in the background now. Okay. Hold on, I gotta play the video. What? You come get your daughter, cause she getting on my nerves. Come get her. Shut up. Shut up. What do you mean? She's sitting up here crying for no reason, and she bit me. She bit me on my boob. That hurt. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Kalena. What you crying for, mommy? Okay, hold on, y'all. Let me grab. Oh, shoot. He calling back. Hold on. What you want, Jessie?
What the fuck is that noise? You just hit her?
Yes, I did. I hit her with the belt. I hit her with the belt. What?
You're not retarded, babe. You're not retarded. You ain't hit no damn 8-month-old with no belt. You're not retarded.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did hit an 8-month-old with a belt. Come get your daughter. You hear this? I'm sick of it. Didn't I say shut up? Didn't I say shut up? What'd I say? What'd I say? What'd I say? I'm sick of that. Shut that up. Now. Now, Kalena.
Okay. Alright. You're joking right now, right?
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. She always does this. How I'm stupid?
No, I said you're not stupid. You're not going to be hitting no baby.
Well, I did because she don't know how to act. As a matter of fact, you pissing me off. Get off my phone. Talk about I'm stupid. Y'all, let me get my baby for real. Let me cut this off. Yo, my baby, she was crying for real in real life, but I think she just sleepy. He calling me back, y'all. He calling me back. He calling me. I'm not gonna answer. I'm gonna hang up on him. All right, you want some tit-tat? You hungry? All right, y'all, let me set this camera up because I don't know how fast he gonna get here. And baby Kalena, he calling me again, y'all. Didn't I say stop calling me? Stop calling me. Come get your daughter. Stop calling me.
I'm not playing with you.
What you mean? I'm not playing with you.
Hit your hands on our baby. It's gonna be a fucking problem.
I know you ain't just cuss at me. I know you ain't just cuss at me. Get off my phone. You pissing me off. Bye. Bye. Good acting, Baba. You crying for real? Well, she just crying, y'all, because she hungry and she sleepy. Can you sit right here for mommy? Say hi. Sit right here for mommy. She's spoiled in real life, y'all. But I gotta set this camera up. Hold on, mama. He calling me again, y'all. Stop calling me. Come get your daughter. I'm sick of it.
I'm gonna catch a fucking case.
You gonna do what?
I'm gonna catch a fucking case.
You gonna catch a case?
If you that retarded, it's gonna be a big ass problem.
Well, catch a case then. Catch a case then, because I done already whooped her.
Okay.
I already whooped her. Catch a case.
Okay. Alright. Okay.
Bye. See, is that? Because I gotta hide. I don't want this to like be in. Dang. How about that? Yes.
A few moments later.
Here he go, y'all. Oh my God. Y'all, he pissed. He pulled up hard. Oh my God. He pissed off, y'all. He pissed. He pissed off. Okay, hold on, guys. Hold on. Why you still crying? Why you still crying? Huh? Why you still crying? Your daddy needs to come get you. He needs to come get you. I'm sick of this. I'm sick of it. Your daddy needs to come get you now. Stop that crying. Stop that crying now. Stop that crying.
Stop it.
Stop it. Stop it.
Stop it. Why are you doing it? Why are you doing it?
Boy, let go of
Did
me.
you just hit her?
Yes, I did. Because she pissing me off. She pissing me off. What? Boy, please, get off of me. Get off of me.
How was that being what though?
You ain't gonna hit nobody. Anybody that you need to be hitting is your daughter.
You okay, man?
Get your daughter.
You ain't
Because she
had no
pissing
go.
me off.
You
Yes,
ain't
I
had
did.
no go.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did. I'm sick of it. She always crying for no reason. So I gave her something to cry for. I gave her something to cry for. You act like, what you was gonna do something? You act like you was about to do
You ain't
something.
hearing no belt though.
Yes, I did.
If you ain't hearing
Yes,
no
I
belt.
did. Yes, I did.
Stop playing with me.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did. I gave her something to cry for. She always want to cry. She got something to cry
Let's hit
for.
your mama.
Let's hit her back.
No, you ain't. No, you ain't. No, you ain't. No, you ain't. No, that's my child. You not my daddy.
You hit her back.
You not my daddy, boy. Stop playing with me. You ain't my daddy. I hit her if I want to. That's my daughter.
If you put your hands on this baby, it's a problem.
Well, I already put my hands on her.
No, you didn't.
I already did. Yes, I did. Because she do too much. She always want to cry for no reason. She not hungry. She not sleepy. But she want to sit up here and cry and be in my ear all day. Yes, I hit her. I'm sick of it. Like, come on. Why you do that? You gonna expose me on YouTube? Hey, YouTube. It's a prank, nigga. Why you do that? Ugh. You always go too far. Why you pull my bonnet off, Jessie? It's a prank. She crying because she hungry and sleepy. And because I put her on the bed. You know I would never hit our daughter. Come on now.
Yeah, I ain't seen no welts or nothing.
Well, she got a long pajamas on. How you was going to see welts? It's a prank. You a little actor. You sit up there laughing. Daddy salty because mommy got him.
No,
Daddy salty because mommy got him. Talk about you was finna catch a case. On who? Who? Fake. Look at you. You and your daughter fake alike. I got him, y'all. He mad. He pulled up all hard. He snatched my bonnet off, y'all. Y'all see my head looking all weird? My hair is not combed under this bonnet. I can tell you right now. That caught me off guard, because why? Why would you do that?
You know I ran a red light.
All right. You ran a red light to come here?
I did.
We got him. Got him. Get him, mama. She pissed off for real life. But anyways, guys, don't forget to hit that like button, the subscribe button, share this video. And again, this is not real, okay? I did not hit my child for real. I would never do that, okay? It's a prank, and we got her daddy like we wanted to. Look at him. Look at stupid.
That's not funny.
Look at stupid.
It's not funny.
Look at stupid. Look at you. You mad. Talk about he ran a red light. Till next time. Come on.
No, that's not funny.
He's still on his feelings, y'all. But we'll see you next time in the next video. You know what I'm saying? Another banger. Because we got him.